it's been a very, very exciting ride. I mean, we were the first Uruguayan unicorn to be born, right? And I think we still are the only one there. But it's been very, very, very exciting, right? If you think about us, we started with a very, very small team in Uruguay, which you would never think as a tech hub, right? And we started solving really complex payment pieces in Latam, right? And I think that's where we got lucky of working with very big enterprise customers who were trying to go into the region, right? And it's been a very, very, very nice ride of seeing evolving from solving for one or two pain points maybe in one market, right, to then go all across Latin America and the Caribbean, and then expanding to Africa and Asia Pacific, and of course, being a startup to then being a stock listed company, right? I think for us it's been an amazing ride, and one that we need to thank our partners for, right? I think for us is the way dLocal has always grown is customer-led, right? So it's not like we'll go and say, hey, we're gonna go and open these 10 markets, tomorrow because we think they're growing, right? But it's more around like, what are the complex problems we're solving for customers in emerging markets, right? And how are we helping them move money, whether that's, accepting a payment or making a payout, right? And whether that's a B2B or a B2C. So I think for us, what happened is, after being LATAM our, kind of biggest and strongest ground, naturally our enterprise customers starting to ask us to solve a lot more complex problem in other emerging markets, because those are the ones that are not easy, right? And I think that's the stage where we're in right now. We got now 40 plus markets globally that we cover and about 900 payment methods. So it's growing, and we hope to keep expanding that and keep solving problems for our enterprise customers. We definitely launched a couple of new markets right now, right? As far as Africa, which you guys can go and take a look. The other thing I'd say, which is growing a lot as far as our business line, is our invoicing product, right? Which is geared more towards B2B businesses, in which we help them collect, ads or different things in all these emerging markets where they don't have the ability to potentially invoice in local currency, right? So that's one of the things. And the other thing I say is we keep on investing in our platform product, which is basically geared to solving everything around being a marketplace, right? And in these emerging markets, right? So from pay-ins to all the KYC, KYB, payouts, and make sure all of that is tied in.